Hi, this is my Chase Business Debit Card, and I've been using it for a few months and I really enjoy using it. Three good things that I like about this card is that I can use it at any ATM and I'll only be charged about $3 maximum depending on the ATM, but it's very easy to get money, to take out money. I use it paired with the Chase app, and it's very convenient to use. I love the Chase app more than I love the Chase website. And I can use it for anything. I use it to rent cars, for hotels. I don't get any points back. I do have to deal with Chase fraud quite a bit. If I make too many purchases in a day or if I go over my $2,000 limit, I do get a phone call and I have to verify who I am. But I do enjoy using this card and I enjoy doing business with Chase. I've been a member of theirs for quite some time. I like the color of the card. It's plastic, it's blue. Blue makes me feel secure. The bad things is that it's a business card, so I have to keep a certain amount, $1,500, in my bank account associated with this card every month, or I do get charged a fee, a penalty fee. There is no credit line attached to this card. It's a debit card. The customer service is really good. I can call at any time, but I really enjoy using the app. It's one of my favorite apps to use. The application process was very easy. I literally already have a Chase personal account, so it's literally me just going in and giving them my business EIN and setting up my business debit card with them same day. I added $100 to the account and got the card same day. It was easy to set up, and it's Visa, so it's accepted everywhere. You can see the back of my card. It's blue, plastic, very durable. I really enjoy using this card. They don't require financial proof. When I applied, they just wanted to see my EIN, and I already do business with Chase, so it was very easy to get a business debit card. I plan on using this card for many more years, and there aren't any benefits or points that I get when I fly or when I rent a car to drive, but I do enjoy using this card. I cannot have anyone else use the card either, but I do enjoy using the card. It has the chip. I really like using the chip. That makes it easier for me when I'm at restaurants, and not as fun as Apple Pay, where you just tap the payment monitor, payment screen, but I do enjoy using this card, and I get a lot of direct deposits to this card, so my clients like depositing money into my business debit card because they see that I have a legit business. So it's a very good card to have when you own a small business of any size, or you're an entrepreneur or a freelancer, because then people take you seriously. And you have all of the paperwork done to be a legit business. So I really suggest for people to get a Chase business debit card because it's accepted everywhere. Because I cars, I make equipment, and I make a lot of purchases with it. And you get points when you shop at Starbucks or Target. I use it a lot for Amazon, for my Amazon business account. So it's a very good thing to have. And websites automatically recognize that you have a business debit card. Like Amazon recognized that I had a business debit card and they gave me a business account immediately. So those small things do help out. Alright, here it is. Visa accepted everywhere. Chase